In this video, I will explain how to share editing cuts from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve for coloring and back. This is how to set up a round-trip workflow between Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Hi, this is Alex from MASV, the fastest and safest way to deliver all your large media files online, whether you're an editor or a colorist. When you sign up with MASV, you'll get 100 GB free to send all of these large files anywhere they need to be in the world. I'll leave you the link in the description box below so you can check it out. Let's get into this workflow. Many editors will edit in Adobe Premiere, but then change to DaVinci Resolve for color grading, as it offers way more detailed options to manipulate color. We're going to go through how to export and import EDLs, XMLs, and AAF files so you can open up your Premiere timeline in DaVinci or your DaVinci timeline in Premiere. Use the chapters below to jump to whichever section you need help with. These files reference the information and structure in your editing timeline. Things like editing cuts, in and out points, source media, duration, transitions, markers, etc. And these are used to reveal your exact cut in another software. EDL, Edit Decision List. This is the simplest one of the three. EDLs are plain text files which contain basic information about your edit from a single track of your timeline. It just supports one video track and 4 audio tracks per EDL. This one is better used as a backup reference. XML, Extensible Markup Language File. XMLs are also plain text files like EDLs, but contain way more information, including things like sizings, transitions, time remapping, and other important metadata. This one does support multiple video tracks. AAF, Advanced Authoring Format. Lastly, but definitely not least, this one is a multimedia file format and can include video and audio and other important metadata needed to recreate the exact cut in another software. AAF is the one that includes the most data out of the three and therefore the heaviest. EDLs and XMLs are just text files, easily transferred through email as they're super light, but you still have to send the source video and audio files to your teammates so they can relink the original footage when they work. If you're interested, check out this video we did about the best ways to transfer large files, and one of the best ways, of course, is MASV. Before we export anything, let's prepare the edit. I like to make a copy of the sequence first. I'll just add 2 color at the end of it. Ideally, you want to keep it to no more than 2 video tracks if possible. Remove any color, effects, essential graphics, or text. I like to remove the audio as well if it's for color grading. Keep it clean and simple. Remember, for all scale footage, they need to be set to frame size and not scaled to frame size, so it can translate accurately. Speed changes might not read well, so if you have this or something special done to any of your clips with plugins, for example, just export a high-res version of it and replace that part. Alright, now let's go to File, Export, and you will find the EDL, Final Cut XML, and AAF. Let's do the EDL first. In this new little window, you can select what you want to include. These parameters are fine. Select the video track you want to export in this EDL, and click OK. Select your location, and there you go. If you want the other video track, you will have to export it separately. Now for XML. Let's go back to Export, then choose Final Cut XML. Select your location, and that's it. If there's an issue with the export, you will receive a report that explains why. Check it out if you want. Okay, now AAF. Back to Export, choose AAF, and in this new window, you can check this mixdown video if you want to merge the whole video to be a single clip included next to the AAF. If you leave it unchecked, it will link to each of the existing video files as separate clips. Click OK, choose the location, and there you go. Okay, now that we have all of our files, let's go to open them up in DaVinci. We're going to make a new project. We will name it the same as our main Premiere project. Perfect. Go to the bottom right corner and click on the Settings tab. In the next tab, in Image Scaling, go to the section Input Scaling and choose Center Crop with no resizing from the drop-down menu. This will help to keep the right resized footage from Premiere. Excellent! Let's import some things. Let's go to File, Import, Timeline. From here, you can import the EDL, XML, or AAF files. When you import them, a new window will appear. Make sure to change the name of the DaVinci timeline and to check the option Automatically Set Project Settings. Okay, here it is, the Premiere timeline in DaVinci Resolve. I also like to export from Premiere a reference MOV and import it to DaVinci so you can make sure everything's in order. If everything's alright, we'll do the color now. I'm just going to adjust some things very quickly. Alright, when you're done with your grading and you want to go from Resolve to Premiere, from here, go to File, Export, Timeline. In the drop-down menu, select EDL Files. To export the other kinds of files, go to the Deliver tab, and from the Render settings, we can scroll to the right and find Premiere to XML and Avid AAF. Let's do the XML first. Select the location, then Add to Render Queue. We will do the same for the AAF. Choose the location, add to render queue, then you render them, and that's it! Now, last step to bring everything back to Premiere. Go to File, Import, and then select the EDL, XML, or AAF to import your color-graded project from DaVinci to Premiere. Keep in mind that when you import any of this, they will bring a lot of new footage, so be ready to put them in a folder so everything is organized. Okay, let's scroll to see if everything is looking good, and yes, everything is looking great. There you go! There are, of course, specific circumstances for each one of your projects, but if you follow these tips, everything will go super smoothly. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about these cross-platform compatibility files. And remember those 100 GB free from MASV that are waiting for you in the description box below. Try it out to send these heavy files to whoever needs to keep working on your edit. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please help us with that thumbs up and subscribing to the channel so we can bring you more filmmaking tutorials. Let us know in the comments all of your questions and what you want to watch in our next video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this cross-platform compatibility.